guys, what's going on? XROM47 here. Today I'm going to be playing Ultimate Custom Night or FNAF 6. Well, I'm trying to find a place to put this, just so you guys can see the stuff over there. I don't really plan on using Freddy or anything over here, so I guess that's fine. I'm gonna try to start out. People have told me that Mr. Hippo has a funny mystery death, and I've played this game a few times before. So I'm gonna see what this death, they say he tells you a funny story, and I want to test this out. So, come on, Mr. Hippo. Come on, Mr. Hippo. Come on, Mr. Hippo. Come on, Mr. Hippo. You know you want to come, Mr. Hippo. Oh, Mr. Hippo. Mr. Hippo. They always go in the there you are, bro. Okay, here, come over here, bro. Over here, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Come on, it's over here. Yeah. Yeah, make your way, come on. Slow process. Come on. Let's see this death.
Well, it seems that your journey has ended. Very sorry about that. It was always going to end this way, of course. If it weren't by me, it would have just been by some other, terrible thing. Just, you could not imagine how terrible it would be. I get scared thinking about it. Glad it's not me. Reminds me of a time I was speaking to my good friend Orville. We were sitting on a park bench watching the pigeons. I was on the left, he was on the right. Was I on the right or left? Anyways, it doesn't matter. We were sitting on there watching the pigeons. And I said to Orville, friend, those birds are frozen. He kind of looked at me like I'd lost my mind. But I reminded him that it was winter, and often birds will sit in a tree until they freeze. Then they sort of fall to the ground until the sun warms up and they can, move around again. So I said to Orville, you might as well save those breadcrumbs until the birds are gone, as they can't very well enjoy them in the condition they're in. To which he asked what I meant, and asking what condition the crumbs should be in before he threw them to the birds, assuming that I meant the birds couldn't enjoy the breadcrumbs in the condition that the crumbs were in, when in fact I meant the birds could not enjoy them in the condition that the birds were in.
Also, I've been told he says more than once, but I'll stop.
So he took a moment and then threw his last handful onto the ground. I said to him, Orville, why did you throw the breadcrumbs to the birds when I just told you they're frozen? To which he responded, the breadcrumbs are not frozen. Again, misunderstanding my words. I didn't mean to say that the breadcrumbs were frozen when I said I told you they're frozen. I'd been referring to the birds. In hindsight, what I should have said was, and this would make perfect sense, why did you throw the breadcrumbs to the birds when the birds are frozen? He misunderstood upon my correction, stating that he didn't know what else to do with the breadcrumbs, and that perhaps, when the birds thought they'd still be able to eat the crumbs. So I said to Orville, this is what I said to him, I said, Orville, the birds may be dead.
But, is that it? Okay. I'm gonna try to get as much points as possible. I'm gonna start out with an easy 1,000. Oh wait, no. Then this video would be really short. Oh man. This is hard to decide. Yeah, I don't know about this. Okay, well, yeah, alright, well, I'm not gonna have much time, so I'm probably only gonna be able to do like one round. Sorry, I just can't record over. You know what? I'm gonna fix the recording over 15 minutes thing. He just advertises, and you have to like close the advertisement. I don't click on him anyway. People say that I played this game and he'll give you good stuff, except if you use him too much, he'll be like he might be like, when ye play with fire, ye might get burned. So I'm not gonna use him. I mean, like, we already can find one more guy that does something. You know, let's boost it up a bit. A bit more. Anyone? Thank you. Lefty does like nothing, honestly, unless like when you look at him on the monitor, he does nothing. But if I keep him at level 10, I was able to discover he doesn't really do much. I don't really use the doors unless I really have to, but I have no one important in the game, so I'm not going to use the doors. I don't need to use my flashlight either. Can we get 2,000? Can we hit 2,000? Well, if I take this out, I can put him and him in. So all I have to do then is shine my flashlight. So let's see if we can get this. There we go, okay. Lag. Okay, well, I guess, okay. Wait, can you press any other button to skip it? Oh. You can't press enter. Oh, the mouse isn't moving, but, Did you hear that? Was that enter? Oh no, I gotta reset ventilation. I cannot see a thing. My mouse. Oh yeah, I have like no one important in the game right now. JJ? No. I cannot see him. Oh no. I can't see anything. I want to do... I couldn't see anything. I couldn't do anything wrong. Okay. I'll leave you to it. This game is actually, if you didn't know, on Steam, it's actually free. I thought that with every character, thanks. I thought that with all these characters, of your selection, this would cost more than the other games, but it turned out being free. So I'm like, what the heck, am I get it? And I got it. So, wait a minute, I just realized, I can take these two out, if I put Mangle in. No, I'm not really gonna do any. No. Well, I think this is honestly good enough time for the video anyway. Next time I do a video on this game, you know what? I'm gonna do 51 mode and see if I can beat that. Of course, you know me, I can't. But I should learn about some of the animatronics first. Like with the mask and stuff, that's fun. Wait a minute, I just realized. How are you supposed to do that with when... You know what? I'm gonna see if I can get a record at 10,000. Ah! 50-20 mode. I'm not gonna beat this, which is why I made it the last round of the video. I'm not gonna beat it. Why try something that you're positive? Or should I say that you're technically negative you can't beat? Okay. So far it's going fine. What is that? What was that blue boy thing? Wait, the fearful reflection of what you have created? Wait a minute. There has to be something about, like, there has to be something to that. She kind of looks like the marionette. Technically, I created the marionette. Are you the fearful reflection of the marionette? Is that what it is? No? Maybe? Yeah? Yes? No? Maybe? So? I don't even really know. Why go to your regular Freddy Fazbear's restaurant when you got the Catastrophe Crew? Or sister location? Or our nightly FNAF 3 office? Alright. Is it really raining that hard? Jeez, wow. Well, is that rain is like, oh, that rain is like, ah. Anyways, that's all the time I got for this video. Once I can record over 15 minutes, I will definitely do something different. Well, not do something different. I could do a live stream that no one would watch, because I'm not popular. Yeah, I'm honestly only saying yeah, because I don't know if I'm ever gonna get popular. Like, I want to at least be popular, like, if I had a choice between any sort of popular, of course I would choose popular in the positive way. Like I want at least to be popular in the negative way. I'm not saying I want to be popular in the negative way. I just want to be, I would want to at least have that. But that's all the time I got for this video. Leave a like, subscribe, blah blah blah. No one likes people talking, and I will see you I don't know, bye.